Hey guys, so I finally discovered how to get unlimited minutes on Lucky Crush completely for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically there's a website called zoomods.com and they have a modded app list on here. So really cool stuff like Sheen, free points, Microsoft rewards, free points. But today we're interested in getting free minutes on Lucky Crush. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So go to the search bar, and as you can see it says Lucky Crush mod. So download this right like this, and then you're gonna have unlimited minutes on the Lucky Crush, guys. So it actually works. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so I'm just gonna give it a minute for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see, so it's only 20 MB, guys, so it shouldn't take that long. Now before you can actually download this onto your device, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. So you need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're completely free and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install. So it doesn't really matter which app you do, but make sure you guys do at least 2 of them, and you have to actually read the instructions. So Fetch says install, open, and sign up. Text Now says install, open, and make a 30-second call within 24 hours. So when you finally decide which app you want to do, just press on it, and it will take you to the Play Store or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. You download the app, and make sure you read the instructions. This is the big detriment for people. They won't actually read the instructions, and because of this, they believe that the entire process is fake, but it's just because they didn't do it right. So anyway, guys, after you do it, the Lucky Crush mod will download onto your device, and this is super insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. It's super cool, and I'm going to see you guys in another video, so be sure to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and peace out.